Hey everybody, here we got a couple units. Commercial comfort
ICP.
3-phase.
We got an ICP commercial 3-phase.
We got a Millennium Scroll.
It's a highly unit.
It's a straight cool unit. $1998. It's a 410. I'll got this unit.
There's no data on that.
Oh, dang. Heil. Ah, yeah, that data's gone. There ain't no getting that. Also, that is a large panel.
410.
Hey, something on the ground right there.
A brick.
It feels very HVAC-y. Maybe not.
Oh no, I thought you were talking about the bricks. Oh, that voice crack.
That's old disconnects. These definitely replaced some old units. Some like 70s.
This unit might not even be original. I almost want to say it's not, but at the same time,
It's not.
it's probably
Because
at
those
least
disconnects, they look like they're from the 60s.